Imagine looking in the mirror to find your face expanding into a perfectly round shape, or noticing a thick pad of fat accumulating on the back of your neck. These specific physical changes, known as moon face and buffalo hump, happen without warning or obvious cause. Curious physical shifts can be even more sudden. In a routine medical checkup, the moment a doctor inflates a blood pressure cuff, a patient's hand might violently cramp and curl inward, locked into a rigid spasm they simply cannot break. These visual changes act as high-stakes internal alarms. They signal that the body's hidden management systems have broken down. The source of these changes lies within microscopic factories, the parathyroid and the adrenal glands. When these components of the endocrine system fail, they stop functioning as quiet managers and start rewriting a person's appearance. Human survival hinges on a fragile chemical balance. Even a slight shift in hormone production can reshape your silhouette and change how your muscles react to a simple touch. The search for answers begins in the neck, with 4 tiny pea-sized parathyroid glands hidden just behind the thyroid. These glands operate like a chemical seesaw. Their primary job is to maintain a strict balance between calcium and phosphate in your bloodstream. As calcium levels rise, phosphate levels must drop. This mechanic explains the violent hand cramps. In cases of hypoparathyroidism, hormone levels drop, causing blood calcium to plummet. Without enough calcium to stabilize the nervous system, nerves begin to misfire, resulting in the severe muscle spasms known as tetany. When the gland overproduces, the opposite happens. Excess calcium floods the blood and eventually calcifies, forming dangerous and painful kidney stones. Calcium provides the essential electrical wiring for the nervous system, and the parathyroid serves as its master switch. Down in the abdomen, we find the adrenal glands. They sit like small protective caps on top of each kidney. This cross-section reveals 2 distinct territories. There is a thick outer layer called the cortex and a central internal space known as the medulla. The cortex is divided into 3 layers that manage our long-term stability. They produce aldosterone to regulate salt and blood pressure, cortisol to manage stress and sugar, and a specialized layer for sex hormones. The internal medulla functions as the body's emergency command center. It is responsible for flooding the system with adrenaline, triggering the fight-or-flight response during a crisis. Between these 2 layers, the adrenal gland manages everything from your long-term energy reserves to your split-second survival reactions. We can now link these internal mechanics back to the patients with rounded faces and fat deposits on their necks. This is Cushing syndrome. When the adrenal cortex becomes overactive, it floods the body with cortisol. This excess forces fat to leave the limbs and redistribute into the face and the back of the neck. If the cortex fails to produce enough hormones, it results in Addison's disease. Without these chemical messengers, patients suffer from profound weakness, experience chronic fatigue, and dangerously low blood pressure. A tumor in the medulla, called a pheochromocytoma, causes a different kind of chaos. It leads to massive, uncontrolled spikes of adrenaline, sending blood pressure to life-threatening levels. These dramatic physical transformations are the outward signs of a microscopic imbalance occurring deep within the body. The endocrine system extends far beyond the neck and kidneys. It includes the gonads, such as the ovaries highlighted here, which produce the hormones necessary for human reproduction. Even the stomach functions as a hormonal player, releasing ghrelin to signal the brain when it's time to eat. Your bone density, your stress levels, and your weight, and the very shape of your face depend on these razor-thin chemical ratios. Hormones act as the invisible architects of human biology. To see more of how these internal systems communicate, subscribe for our next deep dive into the body's hidden networks.